I don't speak up a lot. I am a little person of being.
And today you're doing a podcast.
Yes, and I'm doing a podcast with.
Oh, wow, yeah, you're looking so pretty.
We have the national president Shisham Sabharwal. We have area chairperson Megha Rathi. We have area secretary Karika Dharmani. And we have circle chairperson Munira Patodia. पहले तो welcome to काय बोलता है podcast. Today I am getting a bit nervous. Like ऐसे मतलब होता नहीं है ऐसा generally. But like yeah, all the beautiful girls and I'm like I have to read the questions. ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है.
Good to know.
So that is what is that one core value that has been stayed with the ladies circle.
The objective itself is friendship and service, and we stick to it since 1968. And because of that, we have been bonded a lot. And friendship and service is what we look for, bonding and with the value.
What makes the ladies circle emotionally addictive for the members?
You change a lot in the process, basically.
Yeah.
You step out from your comfort zone
Yeah.
and do things which otherwise you don't.
The fear what you have inside you is you just become fearless when you come out.
Like how is ladies circle different than the normal round table in India? I mean, a part of it though. And what does it do differently?
We part of round table, tablers' wives, but we also have our own identity wherein we are running our own projects, we are running our own little organization while being under the umbrella of round table.
Just explain the flight of fantasy concept.
So, Flight of Fantasy is a project again led by Roundtable India, taking underprivileged kids who've never entered an airport, probably their parents have also never entered an airport, and we're taking them from one city to another.
Wow.
So as our kids have the tools in their school, so this is a tool for them from
Wow,
our
this is an
end.
amazing part. This is an amazing concept. Why? Because we don't realize that when we are traveling with our kids or and when when, as she said rightly, when we see them becoming happy or having that experience, I mean it's
That experience can't be
Yeah.
explained in words.
Words.
At all.
true.
Got something to say, a story to share. Yeah, what are you saying?
Hi, wonderful ladies of the Ladies Circle of Roundtable India. पहले तो welcome to काय बोलता है podcast.
Thank you.
So I'll do a quick introduction for everyone. We have the national president Shisham Sabharwal. We have area chairperson Megha Rathi. We have area secretary Karika Dharmani. And we have circle chairperson Munira Patodia, circle 53.
Hi.
That's right? For this podcast, I would like you all to look into the camera and give a quick introduction. So we'll start with Shisham.
Okay. Hello everyone, I am LMF Circular Shisham Sabharwal, President of Ladies Circle India, proud member of Sikandrama Ladies Circle 17 from Area 9.
Megha?
Proudly from Nasik Ladies Circle 119, right now serving as Area 3 chairperson.
Karika?
I am AST Circular, LMF Circular Kanika Dharmani from Circle PMLC 53.
Hi, I'm Munira Patodia. I'm serving as the chairperson of our circle, PMLC 53, Pune.
Okay, so we'll directly start with the questions. I guess the Ladies Circle, it started in 1968. And since then it's really grown to new levels, and a lot of members have been joining and being a part of it. So what is that one core value that has been stayed with the Ladies Circle? If you all can answer one by one.
Our main objective itself is friendship and service, and we stick to it since 1968. And because of that, we have been bonded a lot. And friendship and service is what we look for, bonding and with the value.
Okay.
As rightly said by our national president, we gel together, we do projects together, we do all things together. So togetherness is there in
Sisterhood,
sisterhood.
basically.
Yes.
you want to add in this anything, Meera?
I think it's covered.
It's
Yeah.
just betterment
Yeah.
towards the society, betterment for the society, basically together.
Okay. So what are the the objectives of Lady Circle? And if you all could tell our viewers who are watching this for the first time, like how is Lady Circle different than the normal Roundtable India? I mean, a part of it though, and what does it do differently? If you all can answer that.
Yeah, please
Yeah.
go ahead.
So, Ladies Circle is primarily the wives of tablers. They form a group of circle to do the community service as well. So, the prime motive of RT and LC together is to have a family organization. So, we stand completely different from other NGOs, other clubs, other organizations. Is this that we are a family organization? I think pan India, even in the world, only RT and LC works together as a family where even our children are involved. From a very young age, we teach them the service purpose of value to the community. So this is what keeps us, stand out. That is why we are the unique in this moment. That make us standing out. Yeah. And LC definitely this has come with a purpose again, where a group of young men wanted to start an organization of round table. So that is the very early stage they get married, and like why not even we go into the same movement and start the legacy with our children who turn into a twinkler as well.
Right.
So this is a family movement.
Okay. Mudira, you want to add something on this?
So obviously our motive has been to serve the society, and I think we've been doing that successfully all this while. Not only do we have be part of Roundtable, Tablers Wives, but we also have our own identity, wherein we are running our own projects, we are running our own little organization while being under the umbrella of Roundtable.
Okay, okay. But since LC is known as a non-political, a non-sectarian organization in today's divided world, how difficult it is to keep an organization neutral yet impactful. Megha, we can start with you.
Uh, it's not very difficult, but yes, we can keep things aligned together, and I feel that since it's a non-political and non-sectarian, that's what we say in our aims and objectives as well. Things are just going through it. We just want to go through it, and as an organization, we are all together through it. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
you
I
add?
would like to add, this is the strength, I would say. It's not a rather a weakness. Being neutralism, again, we are not neutral. Being non-political is we do not belong to any political party, and we don't want to promote any political party. That's the meaning of non-political, as we are a organization for the community, not supporting anyone.
Okay, okay. So many women must be joining the organization, but not all stay, yeah, because of their family duties, their personal duties, etc. So, what makes the Ladies Circle emotionally addictive for the members? If you all can tell us that. I mean, what
Basically,
is
for the
that?
work we are doing, it is a platform that you can connect with the society. Otherwise, in living in a family, I don't think so. You step out and do such work so easily.
Right.
So girls come forward for this together.
Right.
I would like
It is
to
a
add.
motivation, basically.
Absolutely.
It is.
I would like to add to that. It's a dynamic organization in the sense that our headboard is not consistent. Every year we have 3 to 4 women stepping up, taking up the posts. I'm talking per circle. So we have people coming in, taking up posts, doing what they can while they are comfortable, while they have taken care of their personal duties as well. In case there is a time where a particular woman is finding it difficult to contribute to the society, there are others available to step in and do the work that is required.
Right.
To add to that, it is for more of our self-growth as well.
But how has it helped you all? I mean, the day you all become a part of the Ladies Circle, if you all can, share a few personal stories where, the people who are watching can maybe, get inspired by that.
You change a lot in the process, basically.
Yeah.
You step out from your comfort zone
Yeah.
and do things which otherwise you don't.
the fear what you have inside you is you just become fearless when you come out.
But any like personal किस्सा कुछ तो होगा, like something that you all had never done, but maybe because of this you all got to do. for
Okay,
example.
so would like to share my story. It's been 14 years now. I'm been a circler, and because of circling, I step out and try to do some community service. And because of circling, I run an NGO. I'm a founder of an NGO, Hands for Hands, and this has come only because of circling. Because there was a circumstances where we went as a donation to the orphanage, but ultimately there were no caretaker. So somehow things juggled. That was a very difficult time I had with them because I was too adamant with my family that I want to do something. I'm not going to move out from here. So that's how I'm the guardian of 45 children today, and unless and until they turn 18 years old, I'm supposed to take care of them officially, government according to the government rule. So yes, that have come because of circling, and very happy that even Hands for Hands is running on its own. So I don't need any funders or donors because each child has already been adopted, and again, this is because of the platform of Ladies Circle India.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Over this, I would say I learned this. मतलब हम इतना छोटा सा कुछ करते हैं, and what she is doing, I came across today, and there's a lot to do in life.
Exactly.
So I have done nothing. If I
Sky is the limit.
Yes.
Wow.
there's a limit.
So she's flying high, very high with us. Yes.
And this is the platform, you know. Without a platform shared, we would have not able
So
to
basically, you
recognize
learn
our
and get
inner
motivated
strength. That
to people around you.
I never thought that can adopt 45 children. I
Yeah.
mean,
It is a big
that
number.
was
Wow.
in
Big
that
number.
5 are HIV again.
Oh,
So
my
we
God.
have a lot of tasks we juggle with them with their medical condition. But because of circling being by my side, I get the strength. So definitely, this has given a lot to us, and we join for friendship, but we stay for purpose. That is what
Yes.
it's all about.
Amazing. Mudira, any personal incidents that you would like to share?
Well, definitely there were a lot of things in my mind when I took up the post. One of the most difficult thing that came across was arranging for funds for our projects. So we depend a lot on CSRs, we depend a lot upon contributions and funds being raised internally as well. So getting over the hitch of picking up the phone and asking for help, when it comes to matters of finances. That was one thing that was a big struggle, but I think now I'm very comfortable. I can call any person and ask for any kind of help that I need. That hitch is gone.
Amazing, amazing. Megha, anything?
Very frank, I don't speak up a lot. I am a little person of being.
And today you're doing a podcast.
Yeah.
Yes, and I'm doing a podcast today, and I'm like, it is self growth in myself. I could see that, and it has changed me a lot.
Wow.
The leadership quality, which was hidden in me, has come out a little, and I think that is one of the biggest thing Elsinda has given me.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And from here, I have posted a work post on Instagram Reel. So people actually want to do charity, but they don't have the sources कि कहाँ जाना है. अच्छा ऐसा भी होता है, and they are like, how can we be of some help? And you can raise funds from there, and you don't even know college friends, school friends are connecting, and the world is so small actually.
Exactly, because of the Instagram, the social media, and
Yes,
everything.
yes.
Amazing. I think it's been an amazing insight. Why? Because a lot of people who are watching this right now who have an idea about Roundtable India, but they don't have a particular idea about the Ladies Circle, and I think this is going to be a very insightful session. But what does being a circler mean beyond titles and recognitions? If I'm a normal circler, not me for example, if a female, so how is it beyond titles and recognition?
Now we are proud to have the title of a circler.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't want to be recognized without the title.
Title. Yeah.
So that is what we take. And if you have noticed, most of us have LMF in our name. And Mother Teresa is also having LMF in her name too. That comes from Louis Marshall Fellow.
Yeah.
So we are very proud to take that name. We don't want to detach ourselves now
Okay.
with that name.
Amazing.
That's my take
To
on it.
add to that, everyone wants that tag to be given that you're a circler, and you feel special when someone calls you as a circler, and you connect to people, a lot of people. Okay, she's a circler. She's my sister. So that is the
Yeah,
bond.
actually,
This is-
when we travel
we
across
travel
the
across-
country, we just go to a random person. Like today, first time I met both of you, just with the tag of a circler, and it just take an instinct
Yes.
to talk a lot, and we have so much in common.
It's like
Yeah.
a family waiting for
Yeah,
you
Yeah.
in
in other
any and
cities.
every city across the world. We are not dependent on our families to help us build contacts. We are not dependent on our
Yeah.
husbands for that. We know we can just post it in the nationals group. Okay, I'm traveling to this city. I need somebody to help me out with this, or I just want a cup of coffee. Is there anybody
Yeah.
available?
Yeah.
And I'm
Yeah,
sure we'll get a
yes.
ping
So
back.
anything, people are just
And
a
this is
call away.
international as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You go to any country,
country.
you say I'm a circler, and there'll be 10 people ready to receive you at the airport and host you wholeheartedly.
And there was an incident. My son went to a school trip to UK. There he was really like troubling. He had constipation and all that thing was going on with him. He was not well. Though the teachers were there, but I was really concerned. I am so like miles away from him. So I called up one of the circular, like my son is here. He's staying in this hotel. Can you do something? You won't believe they were there. They took him to the hospital. The known
Wow.
because in UK it's really difficult to
Yeah.
connect to the
Yeah.
doctor. But they took their reference. They took him there, and he was like he got discharged after a few hours. But that sense of satisfaction I had was fine. He's around my known people. So
Correct.
this is
Yes.
what we connect worldwide.
Amazing.
So to add to that again, so 2 days before I met one of the international circular, she was here for her holiday for 6 months, and she was traveling through India. She was a circular, and she just said, "Okay, I just want to meet you up." And she's there in the moment. Luckily, I was there, and I said, "Why not? Let's connect it." So just not nationally, internationally
Yeah.
also, we are bonded as a sisters.
Wow.
Yes.
Amazing. Good.
It's just the name, circle.
Yeah.
Circular.
Yeah.
But
It's
that
just with the name.
holds so much.
I think we found the thumbnail also title. We'll put it as circular.
We are
So
proud
that
of
one-
it.
We are
And
proud
it's once a
circlers.
circular,
Yeah,
always a
always.
circle.
always.
Absolutely.
That one word is itself has so much of power, so much of love and affection. That
Trust,
word,
I would say.
trust is yes,
Trust, blind trust.
blind trust.
And I think I'm proud to take a podcast of all the circlers. So I can.
I'm sure after the podcast you'll turn into a circular.
No, maybe a
So we can give
We don't
some
mind.
pin or something.
Oh, yes, of course.
I would like that.
technically we can make you an honorary circular. Right?
Absolutely, I would love to be. No, because in NHM I attended a
Yes.
few sessions, and that was more interesting than what was going on
Right?
on the
Yeah. Even
guys
audience
section.
was-
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
please record this and no
Totally.
editing. I
No
want
editing.
that.
It was so
Only
much
this
fun.
clip,
this clip.
Only this
This
clip.
one.
I like that honorary
We'll
thing.
post it on the RT page.
Coming from somebody who's handling the RTI page, yeah.
Exactly. I mean, it was really fun. Yeah. I mean, the energy was amazing, and y'all
The faces were beautiful.
I was just going to say that. Yeah.
And all gorgeous women and
All gorgeous women. For the
all
first time
glamour
today,
around,
today I am getting a bit nervous. Like, मतलब होता नहीं है ऐसा generally. But like, yeah, all the beautiful girls that I'm like, I have to read the questions. ऐसा कभी होता नहीं है.
good to know.
So that is.
No, we are glad that we were just not the first two with us.
No.
Yes, but yes.
Absolutely. How do you all manage like everything, like the house, your husbands, the table, the projects, and everything? Because you all are amazing, dynamic ladies doing so much of work. And when after meeting you all for the first time, but when I see Munira, she's like full on ऐसे जोशीले एकदम. This day हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. Even in the events when I'm meeting her, she's like never resting. She's doing one thing or the other. So I'm sure even you all are all charged up like that. So what is that secret? What do
We
you all
take
do?
injections.
No. So basically, the woman word, woman is related to called as a multitasker. So yes, वो बोलते हैं ना woman में कूट के भरा हुआ है. So yes, being a multitasker, we try to manage everything, and the LC, just not the LC, they ask us to manage it out. So this is how we manage. And if we don't, then we come to know our capability as well. कि how are we managing so many times at the end of the day, like, ये भी कर लिया, वो भी कर लिया, क्या बात है? So we get motivated by that.
Okay, fair enough. Shisham?
I feel this is prioritizing your work when it is what is required at what time
Yeah.
and when it is required. I think that's more important. And we all are anyway good with it. It's in our genes. I think God has made us like that only.
Yeah.
So we know how to prioritize our thing. Equally balancing, we are here, but still we know what's going there in our house,
Yeah.
at our
Right.
Yes,
workplace.
yes.
Right.
We still know what's going on behind. So yeah, this is how we manage. And
To add to
most
that-
important to be enjoy doing it.
Yeah, that's the
Enjoy.
मतलब. You all don't
It
do
doesn't
कैसे
matter.
काम करना है वैसा नहीं है
Nah.
खाली काम करना है. You all
Yeah.
are like that.
We are charged up.
हाँ.
Yeah. We
We're
are
charged up to
completely
do
charged up. We
anything.
know how to, like, when we are doing projects, when we are executing a big event or fundraiser, we know how that process is going to be so much fun.
Right.
We're going to meet up every day on
Maybe
a
a-
coffee. We're going to meet up on, other
Planning and execution.
gatherings.
Yes, planning and execution.
So
We look up
circling
to
is
it.
also very addictive, to me at least. I remember the first time I did one project, I was all charged up for the entire year. I said, "ये तो अपने कर लेंगे, no problem at all." And also, of course, teamwork and delegation.
Yes.
The days that you are not able to, you can rely on your other circlers. And it's okay if I can't step in, I can just pick up the phone and tell, do you mind going for
Yes.
this project?
Yeah.
Do you mind organizing this whole thing for me?
Right.
So of course we are a team.
Team.
So that helps a lot.
Okay. Any secret drinks that you all have, like for example, like you all said, water, high on life, high on energies.
So yes, friendship is one of the
Friendship.
secret ingredients.
On a
you can
lighter
say.
note, husband ka khoon.
Ah,
That is the secret drink.
But I would still prefer the friendship is a secret ingredient of Else India, where everyone are connected and empowered to each other.
Yes,
So
definitely.
yes, I feel friendship is more important.
amazing, amazing. So let's talk about your theme this year.
Yeah.
If you can, tell our viewers and tell us what it means. And how do you say it?
It's Nama.
Nama.
Yeah, that's a South
South
language
yeah.
slang where I'm born and brought up from Chennai, so married in Hyderabad. So I'm a South Indian inside me. And though I'm a Punjabi, Sardarni, so Fateh comes from there.
Right.
So it is Nama Bangalore, Nama Chennai we say.
Ah.
So I
Yes.
wanted to say Nama Fateh, that is our victory.
Okay.
As women, we have led 60 years now. So we are no more empowering ourselves. It is the time where we are celebrating our victory.
So it's Nama
Fateh.
Nama Fateh.
Fateh,
Okay.
yes.
And so what's the theme like? If you can tell us something about
Theme, the focus, the goal and vision for the year was the Ayushman and Anganwadi, the Ashiana project.
Right.
So Ayushman is nothing but it's a nursing room, it's a nursing feeding pod, which we have even inaugurated today. So this was like around 2 to 3 years back. There was one thought came up to my mind when I visited. Actually, yes, I need to mention this. I have been to Shirdi, Nasik,
Yes.
Area 3 itself. So we had a VIP entry for the darshan, but I saw there many women and families are standing in the queue for 2 to 3 hours, and spotted few women feeding their children during that time, and they were very uncomfortable. So that was the point when this idea came up. Don't know what to do, how to go about. That time I didn't realize. But today, when I'm seeing this project is going everywhere, and recently even in Hyderabad, IKEA came up,
Yeah.
Yeah.
and I'm like, "ये dispenser project करते. Let's make a pod where we can give girls, they can order it, and it reaches to them as a dismantle thing, and they can get fix it up in their own city." So this was all imagination, honestly. So to and fro, it took almost 2.5 years. We started with 4.5 lakh. That pot came up the costing. Now we have reached to 50,000 the
Yep.
cost of
Wow.
the pot, and vision is 150 units this year pan India. Till now we have done 90 units
Wow.
already, and I think before the year ends we will reach our target.
Yes.
Hopefully.
We shall, we
Beautiful
shall, we
project.
shall.
Yeah. So
Yes.
Well, through
Anganwadi
this
is
podcast,
there.
definitely we'll reach out to a lot of
Yes,
people.
Yes,
yes.
We'll
yes.
put all those photos also in between, like of the
Oh,
pods if
oh,
you have,
that-
no?
yeah,
I'll
yeah,
share
we
the
will
pictures
Podcast,
with
yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Today
I'll
we
share the
have done it,
PDF as
huh?
well, which you have
Hmm.
shared to me.
So there is a myth, people keep saying this is the taboo, breastfeeding should be normalized in the foreign countries and even in
Yeah.
our country it should be. But honestly, please ask the mother whether she is comfortable or
Comfortable
not.
or not.
Correct.
This is a big topic to discuss. People are talking about, but nobody is asking the mother whether she is comfortable feeding
True.
it publicly. So definitely, as a mother, being a women organization, we are not comfortable feeding it on a public platform. We need a perfect place and a correct setup and a placement. There are a lot of even in the airport there are feeding room near the
Yes,
washroom.
washroom.
We will not feed or we will not eat near the washroom. So the
Correct.
placement should be right. It should be
Right.
somewhere near the food court rather near the washroom. So these are the things we need to. That was the vision, and yeah, it is turning out very well. Another one was Anganwadi, the project we have started, that is Ashiana. So this is again, the RT has a long-term project that is the development of the school, the infrastructure. So we honestly, when I was pitching for the CSR for our projects, so they were like, "You are with Roundtable, so we will fund Roundtable. You can do it." So that's when it hit me very hard. Then we need to have our own CSR platform rather than connecting. Again, we are a family organization. Doesn't matter, but the time has changed. We are growing. We are even evolving. So the CSR funding should also be permanent. So from there, we need came up with a thing. We need to come with a concrete structure. If it is a school, it is too big for us. So why don't we go with Anganwadi, which is again a central government project, and every government land are allotted with one 450 to 500 square yard for Anganwadi, which is being neglected.
Right.
Everybody is focusing on the school development, but that 500 square yard has been neglected. So we have taken this as a long-term project to focus on that 500 square yard land where the this is nothing. Anganwadi is nothing. If you know about Anganwadi, yeah, what is it?
Uh, no, I don't know.
Yeah. So as he nodded, so I'll try to answer. Anganwadi is nothing but it is the child care center, daycare center, like a construction site where women go to work,
Right, huh.
and but their young ones are loitering around with that
Correct.
unhygienic condition, or maids coming to our house, helpers. So where can they leave their children? So this is a secure and a safer place. They can keep their children there, where government even provide midday meal.
Wow.
They even give vaccinations from 0 to 6 years old children. So this is not only the foundation for the children, but even empowering women, the mother who are going out.
Correct.
They are safe. They are. The mother is satisfied. My child is at a
At least
good
safe
environment.
location,
So this
yeah.
is where Anganwadi comes, and we are focusing on this from now on as a concrete structure, standalone project of LC India alone. Yeah.
Amazing, amazing. Y'all would want to add anything to this?
I think
I
she's
want to
some.
ask actually, this is we have come up with this. How is it going? I mean, what do you think about? We need to know our members' point of view as well. Sometimes.
So, the one thing I felt is when she had come up with the project, she had told us in the NEXT, so there's a meeting that happens and she has described about it. We have never thought about it that yes, this is also type of a place where we need to work on. And after she says, ki, yes, we have to do this, we were like, why not? We can. And after seeing the structured places, now she has been inaugurated many of them, and the happiness, the satisfaction,
Yes.
and the development also I can say. But you can't see just the development just in 2 days or 3 days, but you can see the smiles on just not on the kids, but also on the mother's face because they feel that it has been secured.
Absolutely.
And kids are learning also. They're just not going around, but they're just learning also at that pace.
And instead, members were even skeptical whether we'll able to do alone such a big project.
Yeah.
Are we capable enough? Can we? My only intention was try. If it doesn't work, it's fine. But happy to know, again, our target was 15, as we have 15 areas. One per area was our target, and we are already crossed 25.
25.
So
Yes.
we are doing good, and girls have stepped up, and they have done all the paperwork. They have got all the fun. They have got the CSR, and you have done it all alone.
Yeah. So basically, girls went out of their comfort zone,
Comfort zone.
and they want that कि हम भी कुछ कर सकते हैं.
Rather,
kind of, yes.
Roundtable is sponsoring us.
Yeah.
They wanted to be part of a donor.
Yeah.
So we said, fine, why not?
Well, that's amazing. But then, how do you feel? It's more of a a moment of pride,
it is.
responsibility, or pressure. Like when you're out doing this.
Not at all. No
No
pressure.
pressure,
No
no
pressure.
pressure. No.
You feel pride, and when you go around that school again after 10 years also, if you go to that
It is
school,
satisfaction.
it is satisfaction.
and that is some
Yeah.
वो feeling है जो even if your kid is achieving some scholarship in
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
I might not. What
Yeah.
I see on their faces, na, Flight of Fantasy, they deaf and dumb. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, that's
fine.
okay.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh, it's okay.
She's been
So
jumping around a
Kanika,
lot. huh?
Lot,
so
yes.
Kanika was the chairperson last year of our circle, and like how Shisham has adopted 45 kids, I would say that Kanika literally adopted that one particular school called Ayodhya Deaf and Dumb. There are kids over there that Kanika has benefited in a lot of different ways.
Yes.
I remember going and serving dosas to them one time.
Yeah, that
The
was
look
nice.
on their faces is something you cannot understand, you cannot perceive that feeling
That's an
unless you've
emotion.
actually
That's
done
an
it.
emotion, yes.
Today, when I'm asking for Kanika to join me for any projects at that school, the kind of love that she receives, I feel jealous. I wish I was at that receiving end. They come to her and they directly go, obviously, they cannot speak up. So
Yeah.
they go,
Ah.
this
Yeah.
means flight of fantasy. We've been fortunate enough to take a few of these kids on their first flight ever, something that was unimaginable
Yeah.
for them. We made it happen. They went, and obviously there were a lot of kids that couldn't join. So they're waiting for their turn. Every time she steps in, they go,
And they're behaving good with the teachers
हमारा
also
turn
because of
कब?
that.
Yes.
हमारा turn आएगा.
हमारा turn कब?
For our viewers, just explain the Flight of Fantasy concept.
So, Flight of Fantasy is a project, again led by Roundtable India, wherein we are collecting funds, arranging for tickets, and taking underprivileged kids who've never entered an airport, probably their parents have also never entered an airport, and we're taking them from one city to another.
Wow.
Might be a short distance
circling and
flight.
tabling is available.
Available,
So, a
yes.
city where table and circle is there, and the other city where table circle is there, they're
Okay.
receiving them.
The
Ah.
host table and circle, basically,
Ah.
they take care of.
Okay. Wow.
Everything.
Amazing.
It's a
Just
tour.
saying.
Basically, it's a proper tour
Tour,
where they
giving them
do
a
go
treat.
for a sightseeing and
Ah.
their
Yeah.
authentic food,
Wow.
everything is given to them. I mean, it is a good
Yeah.
Yeah.
feeling for sure.
So as our kids have the tools in their school, so this is a tool for them from
Wow,
our
this is an
end.
amazing
Yeah.
concept. This is an amazing concept. Why? Because we don't realize that when we
Yeah.
are traveling with our kids, or
Yeah.
and when, as she said rightly, when we see them becoming happy or having that experience, I mean, it's
That experience can't be
Yeah.
explained in words. Not
Words.
at all.
true.
So, LC is the emotion for us
Yeah.
completely.
Absolutely.
LC.
Since we are mothers, so we hold that emotion.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I
Yes.
can say that men, when they come for projects, they don't carry that emotion along. They just come for pictures, and I think so. Not only pictures, but they are doing that work. But women are doing with an emotion,
Absolutely.
and that is totally different. Nobody can.
Yeah.
A man can not.
That's true.
Being a mother,
That
we
you
can
have to
relate to
answer.
their emotions.
I will.
Sorry for that.
No, but definitely. Why? Because recently, so we had 144 had hosted the 44 numbers beat. So we had 17 international tablers visiting Pune, and one event we took them to this particular school, and the love that they got over there. The kids had prepared all kind of dances, and they were all dancing with them. I mean, they all were in tears. I mean, looking at it, just the affection, and it was like it was unmatched emotion. and for what they and before that they could not understand the idea of FTE. Why? Because that is the concept I think only in India.
Yeah.
And that is where they realized that whatever the work Roundtable is doing, and it's reaching the beneficiaries and the masses,
Yes.
and how happy the kids were. I
And when you
think
step out, you understand everybody is doing their bit.
And we're
It is
Exactly.
not only you.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And we're impacting on the lives.
Absolutely,
Yes.
absolutely. So coming back to the questions, CSR collaborations are becoming important,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Is social work today impossible without corporate project, or how are we doing it otherwise?
Otherwise, honestly, we were doing by being physically present there.
Present, yes.
So many a times materialistic things it's not required what they don't need. They when we go to an old age home, they just want somebody please come sit with us and
Yeah.
hear
Spend
us
some
out,
time. Spend some
So
time.
we do take out our time and from our daily routine and go and listen to them. Let it be whatever they want to share it with us. So this is what we are there. We are actually out there for them. But CSR, we cannot deny, we do need CSR and the corporate collaborations are equally important for us to do better and better as we are 2,500 circlers
Yes.
Wow.
pan India. So, as many members, as many thoughts, as many ideology, and we
Ideas.
want to implement as much as possible, and corporate collaboration will definitely help us. And I think it's always better even the corporate world collaborate with an NGO like us who are
Yes.
trusted and which is
Absolutely.
60 years old already. So it is a trustworthy organization.
It's like कुछ भी करने के लिए you need money, you need funds.
Absolutely.
काम बहुत है, पैसा लाओ करेंगे.
And it is guaranteed that it is gone for the
It is a
trusted.
guarantee.
Yes, it is
Yeah.
guaranteed. Yes. So you can guarantee. I mean, trust us. We give you the guarantee that yes, it is the money has been used
Going
at a
at the
better
right
place.
हाँ.
At a
Also, a
better
lot
place.
of times we encourage our donors,
Donors
to join us
join
for the projects.
Yes.
So that you can see the impact yourself firsthand. You know where your funds are directed towards and you know it's reaching the right place.
Yes.
Right. No, absolutely. I think that is the crux of the
Yes.
matter.
Yes.
So what do you all think? LC should go bigger internationally, or at this time go deeper locally. What do you all feel?
We are already internationally
Yeah.
available. If you see, we are LC is there in a Nordic region, African region. We come under Asia Pacific region, Mediterranean region, European region. So already LC is spread vastly. We do even IRO projects, which
Yes.
is with the international circulars. And recently there was in Sri Lanka there was cyclone
Yeah.
effect was there.
Yeah.
So India have come forward to help them out with funds and the rescue kits as well. So yes, as much we can reach, it is we are trying our best. But internally, what you meant was it is little skeptical because we try to reach there, but again we don't know how much impact is
impact.
going to be. We search our beneficiary and the requirement what we get. It has to be used in a right way, and after doing the project, we don't leave the place. So we come back again and check whether it is being done. Authenticity is also important. So we are having circles even in cities like tier cities and three tiers
Three
like
cities.
Bilaspur,
Yeah.
Sitapur.
Right.
And now we have tablers and circlers there as well. So it is happening when and there it's possible. But yes, the genuinity of the project is 100% looked up.
Looked upon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, to add on to this, yes, we would love to go locally as well, and I know government is giving a lot of things. So, but we will, as I said before, also we are guaranteeing you whatever we do, we'll make sure that the things have been going for a good cause.
Right.
The
So,
government, if you see, again, Anganwadi is a
yeah,
government project.
Correct.
But it is not maintained well.
Yeah.
Again, when it comes to midday meal is provided, but what about the environment and the infrastructure is not being given, and many refurbishment we have done
So
this year.
artistic. Now,
Artistic,
nowadays, kids are more like what you see, you learn.
You learn.
So that is more important. So even when we were kids, we say कि यार जो देखे सीखा है, that is more important.
Basically, we are even getting into the digital education
Digital
system.
Digital classrooms.
Yeah,
Yes.
digital
Digital
classroom. So, and especially to the toddlers of those age, what they see, they learn and they grab easily. So, digital classroom in Anganwadi also we are focusing on.
Yeah.
Hmm.
To add to this again, since I'm a dentist by profession, so we say that the age group from 1 to 6 where the mind grows faster.
Faster.
So they grab whatever you see, whatever you hear. So they grab it a lot. So that is the reason why we said it should be an artistic also. Yeah.
So now we'll talk some important question like the challenges and things like that. So in any organization, there are ego clashes, there are hierarchy or positions and things. So how do you all keep the sisterhood stronger than competition and make sure you all put aside your egos when there are some tasks or some missions that have to be undertaken? How do you all manage that?
I feel it's healthy, and when there is a healthy competition, so we can see that how members want to come forward and do something for the society. So we do have elections, we do campaigning,
Yes, we
and
do.
yeah, I have learned a lot during
Yeah.
campaigning. So I never knew that I can even campaign like vote for me,
Wow.
Mala. Okay, so a lot of learning. Yeah, definitely. And it's nothing like, we are rivals or something. He wants to work for the movement, I want to work for the movement. Basically, either of us want to do it. Either this year or next year, as the hierarchy is
Correct.
like every year changes. So this year I am, next year she's going to be, it doesn't make a difference. But the process is quite healthy, and ego clashes, as we mentioned earlier. We have egos like if she's getting that much of love from the orphanage,
Orphanage, yes, yeah.
that kind of
It's
an
a healthy
ego.
ego.
It's
Yeah,
Very
healthy.
healthy. Yeah.
we
And
take
we
it in that
just
way.
forget at that second. With
See, and egos do come in. Obviously, once you wear the jewel, you feel you have some power, some position. But also at the same time, you have to realize that this is a social organization as well. One, all our aims are the same. हमको सबका भला करना है.
Correct.
And अगर आप इसमें आपका ego आने देंगे, your work will get hampered and your relationships will get hampered. To do leave that ego behind and work as a team, वो automatically आपको post ही सिखा देती
The
है.
jewel is for a year, and
Yes.
everyone
Knows that.
And the
position
respect,
is
the
just for a
attention,
year.
everything is for the jewel, not for the person.
Correct. Correct.
So you have to keep that at the back of your mind and then move forward. Automatically, I feel
So if we have some negative impact on us,
Traits.
like why are we have, as you mentioned, ego, but we will only hamper our own year
Own year.
by
Correct.
having
Yeah.
this thing. So it just because we are going to get time for 1 year. I mean,
Yeah.
there are a lot to do.
No,
1 year is
one
not
year,
enough,
yeah.
but
Correct.
still we have to rush up and want to do reach our goals and vision. So yes, it is healthy, and we take it in a healthy way.
Okay. But also in the round table and I think in circulars also, the age limit is 40, right?
Yes.
So what do you all think about that? Because you just mentioned that time is not enough. So
For
can
the
we
position,
never
the
enough.
time
Time
is
is
not
not
enough.
but even like for during the tenure, because I've heard some people they're like अरे इसको 50 करो या 55 करो जो भी करो because
but आप
if
50
somebody
भी कर दोगे तो भी हम और ही मांगेंगे.
हाँ
There's
exactly
no end to
there's
it.
no end to it.
फिर आप बोलोगे
Yeah.
50 का 60 करो, 60 का 70 करो. So rules are in place for a reason. And these are rules made by us. It's not like some
If we want
outsider
to
has
amend
made
it,
these
it is
rules for
again
us.
us. Every year we do the evaluation during our NAGM.
Correct.
So the rules are made by us. It can be amended by us. It is completely we individual who are working for it. So thinking about the 40 thing, so I think this is a family organization where I mentioned earlier. It's a young members, young blood coming
Young
up
blood,
and
yes.
working, and we are even lined up with a side by side organization that is Tangent.
Tangent.
That
Right.
after
Yes.
40, if we want to still do the social work and the circle gathering, we can go and join Tangent. So we completely, totally work with Tangent as well. Likewise, RT work with 41ers Club.
Yeah.
Correct.
The same way.
But then sorry.
Sorry, to add to this again, we can be as their mentor post the 40.
Correct.
The job is just shifting from 40 to this, but we are always there connected.
Yeah.
And I think so. It is not about the jewel.
Yeah.
And
It's
Yeah.
not
you
about the
are not
roles.
able to carry a jewel,
Yeah.
but the work can be
Yeah.
done otherwise also.
We
na?
carry the legacy. So
Legacy.
we teach our new generation
Generation.
coming in. We become their mentors. We
Mentors.
become their advisors at that time.
And
So
The
the
tag
duration
shifts
is
from
the same.
circular to past circular. But once a circular,
Circular is
always a
always
circular.
Always a circular,
so that
yeah.
tagline
Yes.
is always there, that once a circle is always a circle.
Amazing. But have you ever felt like, doing any task or, in your tenure, कि यार बस हो रहा है अभी, I want to quit or something like that, कि यार बहुत challenging हो रहा है. ऐसे कभी आता है?
ऐसे तो लाइफ में भी आता है.
हाँ, exactly.
Same. So same applies to circling also. There are days, mood swings, whatever. You feel some days you feel like wow मुझे आज तो मैं 10 प्रोजेक्ट कर लूँगी, and some days are like यार यहाँ जाना है कैसे possible होगा? तो it's just a call away. You call a friend and it can be done.
Wow.
There's highs and lows.
You fall and rise, dust off, and then rise again.
Rise again, yes.
But then, do you all also, emotionally support each other? Why? Because, at times,
Definitely do.
that is more important in life. Wherein, because mostly with guys in roundtable, I've noticed we don't discuss emotions
Yep.
as men. But for women, if that's
They do.
something
I think
that
we discuss-
do
They
you all-
We discuss a lot.
I would say
We
this is a
discuss
stress
everything.
buster. You know,
Yeah, the
a girl gang
Yes.
is always a stress
stress
buster.
buster. Yes, yes. You
So,
went out.
Let it be whatsoever. We need to go and. But if I have some news with me, I have to go and tell it to my girl gang
Yeah,
first. That is how it is.
Can
So
you all
the-
do a LAPD for our guys?
Oh,
like,
definitely.
how to
I
discuss.
think you all can pick up a lot from us.
Exactly. That is the intention about it. Why? Because I've seen, I mean, even your husbands, they won't like, unless you all like poke them to come take out that emotion. But
It is very
otherwise,
difficult.
It's very difficult.
Very
for us.
difficult.
Yeah.
Till date, I don't even know my husband truly
Yeah.
inside out.
That's-
But he can say that.
He can be a dhurandhar
Every
also.
day, every act of mine, he's aware of क्या होने वाला है.
Hmm.
And basically, women are very,
Very
emotional
expressive.
and
And
expressive.
they're
Yes,
expressive
yes.
also.
we are
Yes, yes.
expressive.
So we want to tell
yeah.
someone, and we want to where we feel like बोल दो, फिर देखा जाएगा क्या होगा वो.
Hmm.
It's like that.
No, that's
In
good.
my case.
A circle is a safe zone for us. We
Yeah.
share
It is a
anything
safe
and
zone
everything.
completely
Yeah.
because we choose this family.
Yeah.
It's a
So
chosen
it is
family.
something. It is an
Chosen by
extended
us.
family where we are choosing it. Like so, definitely it is a safe place for
Totally.
us.
We
Exactly.
choose them, they choose us.
Yeah.
And having a
It's a
safe space is
mutual-
important. Why? Because you can share anything without getting judged.
Yes.
So if I feel I want to share something with her, I'm undoubtedly saying, like, this thing happened with us, and most probably, if something good has to come out of it, she would surely say, this is something where you can improve on.
Right.
This might be there.
But what is that one thing that only a circular can understand?
Emotions again.
What
venting out
terminologies?
Hmm.
Yes.
That, yeah.
That, yeah.
And
Our eye contacts as well.
oh, there's an eye game as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, if you feel
things.
that,
We can speak through our eyes.
yeah,
You have attended our NHM, right?
But
You must have
itna
seen a
nahi-
lot of eye contact there.
itna
It's
nahi
a
detail में
reason
देखा
why
मैंने.
this sitting was like this, why we made Shisham sit over there so that
Oh.
we know where
So
to
that was a good move.
I thought I did that. Okay, come on, don't take that
She's
credit.
controlling.
seat.
She's
We
controlling from the hot
placed her
seat.
there.
From
We
the
gave her the
hot
hot
seat.
seat.
Actually,
We are
it
controlled
worked
from
in
the
our favor.
Yeah.
no, but basically, we can judge each other, and we know that, अच्छा अभी हमको रुकना है, it's better we stop. So
ऐसे मत बोलो, ऐसे मैं बहुत ही लग
नहीं
रही
नहीं
हूँ.
आपके लिए नहीं. It's not just for you, Shisham. It's just an universal what
Yeah.
I think we know.
We are gifted.
Yes, we are
That
surely
is
gifted.
why we are women there. We don't want to come to your league, Tableau's league or
अभी ये
men's
talk
we
उसके
love
लिए
our
We want to come in your league. Yeah.
I think they've just converted the whole conversation to battering the round table and tables. Let's not forget we are here because of them.
Okay. What is the biggest challenge, internal challenge that LC is facing today? If you all want to discuss that.
extension.
Yeah.
So, would when there is an clause that only tabler's wife can be part of a circle, so there should be a mandatory rule from the tabler that every prospect wife definitely should be part of circle. There should not be any option. It's up to you. You can be a tabler's wife either, or you can take a circle. So it should be mandatory from there. It will be really helpful for us.
Yes,
Yes.
indeed. One of the biggest challenge we are
Challenge, yeah.
facing it right away.
Is the extension.
Yes.
Extension, yes.
But is there any rule for like single women or that is not?
No,
Yeah.
we don't have it yet.
Again,
It's a
the
family organization.
It's a family
yeah,
organization.
family organization.
Right,
Yeah.
right. Is it what is more harder than to manage projects or to manage people?
Both goes hand in hand.
Yeah.
Both go hand
Yeah,
in hand.
it surely goes hand in hand.
You strike a balance and both are happy.
We can't do project without people. So first we need to
Then
balance
fail.
with them and then go for a project.
Project.
Yeah,
So we
that's
require
true.
them.
But have you ever like faced criticism for being in
Definitely.
Yes.
LC?
Definitely,
Many
Yeah.
times,
Now
yes.
this is something I want to hear.
Yes.
Go girls. Go
Yeah.
girls. Yeah. So we'll start with you, Shishi.
Matlab, you don't understand until you are inside the organization what actually is
Actually
going on.
happening.
So outside
Ah.
world will obviously label you with things.
And if outside people are talking about some behind your back, I feel we are doing something good.
Good.
Yeah,
we are growing.
absolutely.
So
Yeah.
people don't understand why we are addicted to this
Yes.
because they've not really accompanied us
You need to taste the
through our
addiction
projects.
before getting addicted.
Absolutely.
through our projects, through our fellowships. Had they attended a few of those, they would understand why we are so vested in this particular organization. So we definitely get criticism. You are just
What sort of
going for-
criticism?
You are only available for your LC and your roundtable events, right? You are not going to
Yeah.
come for my party or my
No.
event or whatever XYZ. So they don't understand that it's more than enjoyment. There's a cause. There's something
There's
that's
a
pulling us
satisfaction.
towards it.
Obviously,
So that
it has
only a
something
circler or a
that is
tabler
so
can
connected
understand.
to
At
it.
the end of the day, we sleep peacefully.
Yeah.
That's
We
what
feel
With
matters
a
to
big
us.
smile on our
Satisfied.
face.
Yeah.
Sleep
So that's
satisfied
what
and,
matters to us.
and next day we are charged up again.
Wow.
So yes.
But
so
what
there's,
criticism have you faced or anything you can share?
not very particularly anything as of now, but yes, they says that when you are on the post, you feel that you're like a boss, which is not exactly.
Yeah.
You can't be a boss. You have to, as LC India's always say, floor is supreme. So we say floor is supreme. How
We
grounded are you?
I always say that we are the servant for
Servant,
a year,
yeah.
serving the
Exactly.
movement,
Movement,
rather
yes.
being the boss, because without the floor, the members,
Yeah, yeah,
they have
totally.
appointed us for
Correct.
this
We
particular
have been
post.
appointed, yes.
And
So
we are
we are
nothing
working
without
for them for a
Them,
year.
obviously.
We have commitment given from our side. It's for them, for the movement.
So how down earth are you is always been seen.
Has it been a challenge to convince your parents or in-laws कि what do you all do as a LC or what is
Many a
LC?
times, many a times.
होता होगा?
हाँ होता है, but how to मतलब
Like
put it in
initially
words.
maybe,
हाँ,
obviously.
हाँ, हाँ. But now they are aware
Yeah.
what's
Now they are.
actually happening, taking them to Bhumi Pujans and introducing to them to projects. It is not party
Yeah.
party.
Correct.
You're socializing equally or working towards the society. So
Yeah, because
You
why
have
am I
to-
asking this? Because since we're talking about extension,
Yeah.
I think if you can say that loud, and if there are a lot of women who are watching this podcast as tablers, and if they want to be a part of LC, I think they would be facing the same problem, and that is what I'm addressing.
Again, it's a family organization. Bring your parents, bring your friends, bring your kids. Experience it. Once you experience it, you will understand what the organization is all about and what you gain from it.
You should want to add something?
See, when tabler is going and doing certain project
Yeah.
or socializing, why are they not questioning? Then why are
Yeah,
we
we
questioning and
question.
why are we sitting here and justifying
Yes,
ourselves? I
yes.
think
Absolutely.
it is something I will not
And
want to
I think-
answer.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I
That's the
think
whole.
whatever
We don't
work
have to
we are doing, we are
justify-
You don't have to
proud
justify
of
why
it.
we
Why are we doing and why should we compel? We are an individual, so we don't have to
Perfect.
force on anybody to be a part of circling if they don't want to. But yes, when you are proud that your husband is doing a beautiful job
Wow.
being a tabler, so why can't you be
why
a
can't
circler?
we?
Amazing.
So there's a self growth in yourself. If you step one step ahead of your comfort zone and see what magical thing you can do,
100%.
that
And it
magic
gives
in
you
you is need to be just click. That magic has to
Magic
come
is in you.
Yeah,
magic
the
is
magic is in you.
My theme.
Absolutely. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Please tell us about your theme, yeah, now, since we are
So,
on.
I'm not a very old circler. I have been circler for 4 years now. And 2 years into circling, expecting my second child, I took up the challenge of being the secretary for the circle. And a lot of people came up to me, "You sure you'll be able to do it? You know, it's a lot of commitment. Are you aware of what all is required of you?" I said, "Yeah, maybe." So I said, "Why don't you also try? You're my senior. Go ahead, take up the post. I can wait for another year." They're like, "नहीं नहीं, मुझसे नहीं होगा." But trust me, अगर मैं कर सकती हूँ, आप भी कर सकते हो. The magic is in you. You just need to discover it.
See, I feel this is our voice which is spreading in our members, creating that there is a lot of work.
Yeah,
When we can do other things,
It's nothing.
when we-
It's nothing.
Yeah, it is part of your life. It is not your life. So
Correct.
Sky has
you
no
need
limit,
to work
so we
accordingly.
need to fly high.
Amazing, amazing.
Yeah.
If a young girl is watching this podcast, why should she dream of becoming a circler? I would want that answer from each one of you.
That's what your qualities get surfaced. Earlier, I used to think leadership quality is not there in me because I am a pampered bahu, pampered daughter. I got everything on my plate ready. And when I took up as a circle, I took a post basically, and I understood in a leader team of 22 girls.
Wow.
So it was very easy. After a year, I realized, yeah, that quality was in me.
Amazing, amazing. Mira?
I feel social causes like these really bring out your inner personality. So when you are actually becoming friends with these people, you know them through and through. And these are the friendships that will last generations. So that's why that is the difference of being a circler and being a part of any other social group.
You know why this bond is there? Like we are talking so much about bonding and
Yeah.
friendship. We are getting close to each other during our those phases of life where we are building our life, and there are a lot of ups and downs, family-wise, career-wise, kids as a parent
Yes.
also. So this is the main phase from 20 to 40. These people are there around us because they know us from in and out, what have we gone through, what we are, and what we are going to be in future. So that's why the bonding is more stronger in us.
As rightly said by Shisham, 20 to 40, our kids are also there. They're watching us. What are we doing?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
once they grow up, so that young age, that's what he said, why you want to be. Now my daughter says, I want to be as you are.
Wow.
Why? Because she see the humbleness what we are doing, the satisfaction when you get, and kids come for the just not for the projects, but they also see a lot of things going around. And in today's era, I think this is very important that you teach these values to your kids.
And when it comes to individually, we
Yeah.
don't need validation. But
Yes.
from our kids,
Yes,
we
we
do
do.
need
So we need
validation.
validation.
sometimes.
Setting a good example for that.
And and also I feel that these are the future generation of us.
Yeah.
They are representing us in future. So why not to add the value to them?
Absolutely. But don't you think then that LC should open the membership beyond the current structure?
See, there is something the foundation is being done 60 years back, and still it is going. And as I mentioned earlier, we are still the unique one
Right.
Yeah.
out there. When you come out in the society, there is no other organization like us. Like any other organization, they are having the same structure, the same pattern. We stand out here. So we would like to definitely
Take over
continue
your
and
business.
sustain how long we can. And there are if you see statistically, we are increasing in number.
Yes.
We are not
Yes.
decreasing.
Yes.
So I don't see any bridge to be filled up, gaps to be filled up between the bridge.
Okay, please
Yes.
So
continue.
we are increasing in number. So there is right now we are not in a need to think that we need to bring members outside
Structured
the
reforms
structured
coming up.
system.
Okay.
To add again to this, we are traditionally also we are doing some modern things also. So we are inculcating both the things together. So tradition meets modern. Yes, we are going together.
Following the traditional system,
yes.
in a modern way, with the modern time,
Then-
with the Gen Zs and Alphas coming up.
Yeah, that is
Adapting.
Adapting.
Yes.
Evolving.
Absolutely. Since you mentioned statistics, would you want to share any statistics for this year? Things done.
Okay, so as LC, so overall we're working around 2,612
Yep.
612 toilet blocks,
Wow.
8,072 schools, classrooms, and impact 9 million beneficiaries.
Wow.
So in this year, as we were focusing more on Anganwadis and Ayushman unit, it has created more of a publicity boom where we have
Yeah.
gone literally inside the public places like railway station, temples,
Temples, yes.
gurdwaras,
Gurdwaras.
airport.
Airports.
So yes, everywhere LC branding has been done in terms of nursing pod. So yeah, these are our work. We are trying to create as much as possible from our side, focusing on education and women empowerment, and empowering many women who are in terms of searching for a job. So we provide them sewing machine. We give them personal training, skill development training. We have even focused on the centers of skill development tied up with GMR this year, and they'll be given employment later after the training has been given. So this is a statistic as of now.
Amazing, amazing. Would you all want to add anything to this?
No, I think she has been told everything.
Yeah,
Since this
pulled
has
up
been
60 lakhs
yes,
CSR.
65 lakhs.
65
Yes.
lakhs CSR.
Correct, yeah.
Looking forward, I think another quarter to go.
yeah.
Our aim is 1 CR at least CSR we
Yes.
can pull in this year.
We will,
Fingers crossed.
Fingers
No,
crossed.
definitely we will, right? Definitely.
So-
And plus the NAGM is happening in Pune.
Yeah.
So I hope I will see all the ladies circlers participating and being here in Pune.
Yeah.
Because what
We all
I've
are
heard
looking
from,
Wow.
Looking forward
it's going to
to
be
it.
crazy event. So
December.
yeah, in December. Great. So now, ladies, we are at the rapid fire section. So I'll ask one, and you all just have to answer the same answer.
Together.
But one by one. We'll go in this order, just for the. Okay, so we'll start. One word for ladies circle.
Friendship and service.
For you,
Bonding.
Commitment.
Friends.
friends. Okay. Service or sisterhood?
Sisterhood.
Obviously, sister.
Sisterhood with service.
Sisterhood. Total.
Toughest project?
None.
No.
Nothing is toughest in life.
Nothing is impossible.
Yeah.
My first project.
Which
A
one?
raincoat donation of 280 kids.
Wow.
Nothing has such experience.
Favorite LC memory?
A lot.
One favorite. One favorite.
Heart has been given.
Oh, yeah. I
I
mean,
say my induction
Wow.
as the circler because I demand for it. I wanted to join circling, so I told my husband to be a tabler so that I can be a circler.
Likewise.
Oh.
same,
nice.
yes. There are many to pin on, but yes, when you're taking on the post and you're getting that appreciation that yes, what work are you being done and that you feel satisfied, motivates you to go ahead. Yeah,
The moment Kanika put this jewel on me.
yeah, that's
I'm sure.
yeah.
Kanika?
Nothing as everything is said. These are the feelings I have.
One rule you want to break?
We make the rules, so it's up to us.
We need to follow.
Nice answer.
Our
Shruti.
rules.
Yeah.
We are no break rules.
No.
no,
none?
When a parent organization is willing to adapt, why break?
She wants
He's
to-
giving me isharas with the eyes. He
Yes,
wants
yes.
to speak.
She's also.
ये scripted था.
I know someone who wants
ये
to.
scripted था.
कुछ तो है. Okay, one rule you want to keep forever.
Family organization.
Family organization.
Same.
Same, yeah.
Okay. One circler who inspired you.
A group of circlers have inspired me. That's why I'm here today.
But फिर भी एक दो नाम तो दे दो ना ताकि बाकी
Alright.
लोगों को बुरा लगे.
Okay. You want some masala for the content today?
There's so many names I can think of.
तो एक दो ही ले ताकि
मतलब इतने सारे नाम
Yeah,
तो
I have.
याद आ रहे तो
You must be having.
I will say Sita Venkatesh, ma'am. She's from my area, Vijayawada. She's the past international president After meeting her, I said, I want to be international president too.
Wow.
Yes. For me, it is Circular Nidhi Karnani. She was the national president that time, and which give me a kick. Like, no, I can do something, and it just had a growth in me.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I think I will go ahead and name my mother-in-law,
She
Circular
is
Rekha
Circular.
Patodia, who once
Wow.
wore this jewel with all the pride that I do.
क्या बात है? Amazing.
If only a single name, then it would be my friend Haas. Circular Archana Mundra, my circle person only. And she motivates me
Okay.
a lot.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Okay. Then biggest fear in LC.
And she made us fearless.
Yeah. This.
Unstoppable.
Unstoppable, yeah.
जो थोड़े बहुत fear थे वो भी उड़ गए.
ये सवाल को ही तुम लोग उड़ा रहे हो यार. क्या है?
अच्छे सवाल
तुम wrong
अच्छे सवाल
सवाल
लिखो
पूछ रहे हो.
कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग लिखो
ये फियर ऐसे सवाल लाओ मत मेरे सामने.
शेर है हम.
हाँ,
Correct,
शेरनी.
Dhurandhars.
Yes.
I know, man. One thing people misunderstand about LC.
All right, I think you should answer.
Misunderstand. You can say.
I think people misunderstand that this is a group of girls,
Yeah.
get together करते हैं, मस्ती मारते हैं, वापस आ जाते हैं, किटी पार्टी चला रहे हैं. So technically, this is something they misunderstand. We even we work on our own skills as well and for the community. It's not just the kitty party gang.
They say, right, work hard and play harder. I think
Yeah.
that's what we do.
That's what we do.
Okay.
Party hard and party harder also is something which is suiting us.
Yes, we are not like the clubs. We are like a group of organization where just not work, but we support each other.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
For you, anything?
Myth about
Right.
LC.
no nothing I've
No
come
myth.
across such people I have nice people around me
Oh. Okay.
who just support me
तो पैर नीचे करके बैठ. अच्छा जवाब नहीं दे रही है.
कहीं अगर यहाँ तक आ गया ना तो बहुत ही प्रॉब्लम होगी.
but he
तो
didn't
जब से पैर ऊपर रखी बिल्कुल जवाब नहीं दे रही.
वो slumber mode में जा चुकी है.
हाँ. One dream for LC India.
Dream.
Dream.
she has many
Yes.
I have one dream that LC India should have a corpus of 100 crores.
Wow. Amazing.
Second that.
Yeah. I mean, funds we require funds. So yes, we can dream anything.
Yes.
So yes, that is there.
Why not? Yeah.
just lots of funds we need to work continuously never ending
Okay. One word for your tenure.
Namaste.
Fly high.
Showing all the magic that we can.
मौजा ही मौजा
Nice, sir. Amazing. So now we'll do some truth or dare kind of thing. Okay. So now this will be individual. Truth or dare?
Dare तो नहीं हो पाएगा इधर.
क्यों नहीं हो पाएगा? ये हमारे पास वो भी है.
Truth ही ठीक.
Truth is, have you ever fought with another circle?
Yeah, many times.
Great. And for what? Like,
For many things. See, we have difference of opinion. So that doesn't mean we are no more longer of friends or something.
correct.
So individual voices, different opinion. Yes.
Amazing.
Fought from my side, my point of view. She has fought for her point of view.
Yeah.
Oh, superb. Truth or dare?
I can take a dare then.
You can take it there? Oh,
Yeah, man.
lovely. Say one thing you love about each guest here.
I love the.
जो उल्टा पूछा था.
Actually, that is a dare.
हाँ,
उल्टा पूछना
उल्टा
था.
करो अभी उल्टा करो.
वो dare होता था.
हाँ.
नहीं तो
One thing you don't like about
Yeah.
I
the guest
don't
sitting here.
like. I don't have anything in
No,
mind.
no.
झूठ बोल रहे
No,
हो.
we don't know.
झूठ बोल रहे हो.
झूठ बोल रहे, झूठ बोल रहे.
नहीं,
What
तो
question का मतलब हमने क्या
शीशम हमें अभी बताऊंगा ना तुमको तुम्हारे रुक जाओ.
अच्छा तुम्हारे लिए है तुम्हारे पे लिस्ट है
Yes. But
ऐसे ही
शीशम,
expression
I can not
Okay,
watch
we do
anything.
one thing. We'll go easy on you. One thing you like, one thing you don't like. चलो.
चलो न्यूट्रल हो जाए.
हाँ, फिर थोड़ा balance कर लेंगे.
One thing I like about Shisham is that she inspired a lot of women, and the way she explores, the way she handles everything very correctly, you can say. That is what she is. And yes, at the end of the day, one thing I don't like, I don't know there's nothing.
बोलो फोन नहीं उठा रही
नहीं,
वगैरह ऐसा
फोन
कुछ
तो
नहीं?
नहीं,
वो
ऐसा
तो
तो-
मतलब कोई बोल ही नहीं सकता. आई एम ऑलवेज ऑन माय फोन.
Yeah, yeah.
आई एम अ कॉल सेंटर.
Giving her some.
No, I don't know. I think I've met her. I think just in the NEXT.
NEXT.
Before that, yes, she was a national secretary. I was a CP that time, but we couldn't connect that much. But one thing, when I met her, I felt like इसमें कुछ flaws तो दिख नहीं रहे, पर वैसे ढूंढना पड़ेगा ऐसे flaws कहाँ से निकालूं? Yes, it's not just giving a brownie point or something, but yes, this is what I have a connection with her.
Okay. About
Yes.
Munira?
Munira, the best thing is she's sorted. She's sorted enough about what she has to do and what she has not to do, and she takes the pressure a lot.
हाँ.
I know. I'll accept that.
Yeah, so she is pressurized. यार ये करना, this. I know.
Starts vibrating then.
And yes, so that is what I felt for Munira. Apologies if I've said something wrong.
No, no.
Yes.
Now they will tell about you. Wait.
I don't
मैं
mind
next
it.
वाला ऐसे उल्टा घुमा के मारूंगा.
Regular answers.
About Kanika, she is a bubbly girl. Yes, she keeps the room live. She, wherever she is around, she makes sure that everyone are live enough and very soft spoken. But one thing about her is she never picks up the call. We have just the voice notes what she has.
Second that so
But
much.
I keep posting
Yeah,
my.
that's what.
Keep you posted with my voice
Just
note.
take it. Just take
I'm
it.
just a voice note away.
Happy?
Happy?
You got the masala?
अरे नहीं रुको ना अभी now you all
अब
can
देखो
talk
next
something
वाला
about
कैसे
her
निकलता है.
यार. Something you all don't like only about her हाँ बाकी
Yeah.
वो गुड वाला नहीं करेंगे वो.
Don't like only phone ही मत उठाओ. जब नहीं अच्छा लगता तो phone मत उठाओ.
I get Kamini vibes from her, you know.
हाँ.
कि कभी भी या तो surprise
What
bomb
vibes?
फोड़ेगी Kamini.
What is Kamini? She wants to
Huh.
understand.
The Iran.
Yeah,
का-
what
Yeah, yeah, the
Is
supreme
it?
leader
the
of
president who
Iran.
died.
Okay.
कि कभी भी बॉम्ब फोड़ सकती है, कभी सरप्राइज बॉम्ब भी होता है, कभी
आहा.
कभी न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब भी होता है.
Compliment यार.
नहीं वो bombs
But
पैसे
diplomatic
लाती है.
answer आ
वो.
जाती है.
चलो
हाँ,
काम करो.
इसीलिए मैं बोला सरप्राइज बॉम्ब भी होते हैं और न्यूक्लियर भी होते हैं.
So I have the bombs.
Wow. Nice. Anything about her?
Oh, good thing or bad thing?
Bad thing, bad thing.
एक गुड तो बोलने दो न्यूट्रल हो जाएगा.
चलो.
मेरी ACP है वो.
Good thing.
You can say it again.
As a person, बोलते हैं not about us as a circular, but as a person, she's so pure, as in and out, it's same. मतलब be the way you are, for sure. Bad thing तो okay बोलना पड़ रहा है.
हाँ, बिल्कुल बोलो.
Okay, सोचने भी दे रहे. I won't say it's a bad thing, but you trust people too easily. You need to work on it. It won't be on your favor every time.
Yes, I can
Correct.
take
See,
that.
जब मैंने सवाल पूछा, you trusted me, and you know this is going to be there
Yeah,
in the. This will not get edited.
yeah.
Please.
Please. No, that's a. I think that's what I said. We learn.
Yeah.
Correct.
We learn. That's what I
And
was
we can show the mirror. That's
Yeah.
what
Ah.
we have
Mirror,
done.
tell me what is there today. So yes,
Ah.
she is still.
Amazing.
Yes.
Munira, truth or dare? But amazing you took the dare, yaar. I mean,
Thank you.
superb.
I think after this dynamic one, I'll go for a truth.
Okay. Have you ever felt someone else deserved your position?
Never.
What?
And the best. And the best thing that could have happened to PMLC 53.
You have asked the right question.
इसमें कोई explanation भी चाहिए फिर हमें.
हाँ,
Just
अगर you
enlighten
wanna
us.
spill the tea or
Enlighten us a
something.
bit, baby.
My work will speak for myself.
Oh.
Ah, killed it.
So the pressure is coming from your own.
Ah.
Yeah.
अब हम relax हो गए, वो first 2 quarters
Pressure
का.
cooker वाला pressure नहीं.
नहीं,
but yes,
हाँ.
three quarters done. And
नहीं, एक और मुनीरा के साथ पॉडकास्ट कर लूंगा मैं बाय ईयर एंड, तो फिर वो फिर से वो सब क्लियर कर देंगे हम.
फिर pressure cooker बस हो जाएगा.
वो झूठ उतार के करेंगे. तब थोड़ा unfiltered होगा.
थोड़ा अनफिल्टर्ड होगा. कनिका,
I'll take a day.
नहीं नहीं.
give a message to your husband watching this.
Oh.
No.
Oh. It is him. He introduced me to Roundtable, and I got LC from him, and I thank him a lot.
Amazing. चलो यार, ठीक है. Okay, one more round कर रहा है? Truth or dare? Truth or dare?
Truth.
Truth.
कितना easy question पूछ लिया इसने मुझसे. ओहो.
हाँ, वो वैसी धर्मानी भक्त है.
वो कहाँ से धर्मानी भक्त.
तो तुझसे easy question पूछा ना.
Have you ever
Okay.
cried after a meeting, and have you ever taken your work stress home?
Yes,
Both. Yes.
yes, both.
Cried also and
Cried
taken
also and taken the
stress
work
home
stress.
also.
Yeah, I think it's very natural.
Natural.
Yeah.
Okay. Mm.
So this time I take a truth because
Truth.
let me give my truth answers also.
Have you ever doubted your leadership?
Never.
No.
Never.
Yes. Oh, come on.
No, I think that
Maybe
one
overconfident.
We
one
believe
thing
in
I had,
ourselves.
yeah.
Mm.
Believe in ourselves, yes. And I think if you don't think that if that negativity comes in you, then you turn down.
Mm.
And I think negativity is not around anywhere.
Okay.
So yes, undoubtedly no.
Amazing.
Let's dare to take a dare.
Uh-huh. Okay. Uh, describe LC in 3 dramatic words.
Ball entertainment.
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 Yeah. That was good one. Truth or dare?
There.
Dare.
But you
Oh.
should
Give a filmy dialogue for LC.
फिल्मी डायलॉग फॉर LC सब हो जाता है
सब हो जाता है, but कोई तो फिल्मी डायलॉग.
अरे
फिल्मी डायल
ऐसा
मैंने
कुछ
बोला
तो
था ना
बोला था ना गाड़ी में हमने.
हाँ.
कुछ कुछ होता है
कुछ कुछ
नहीं 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 कुछ कुछ होता है अंजलि तुम नहीं समझोगे. You need to be precise. We are a group of Anjalis.
But
Okay.
explain in the star also
Yeah.
अंजलि के सब अलग
तुम नहीं
सभी अंजलि है.
सभी अंजलि अलग अलग है यहाँ
Versions
पे
of
हाँ the
अंजलि.
versions of अंजलि
हाँ तो बोलो ना
Yeah,
पूरा
do that,
बोलो.
do that
कुछ
again.
होता है कुछ कुछ
पूरा
होता है अंजलि तुम नहीं समझोगी
Yeah.
अंजलि के बहुत अलग वर्जन है.
जैसे my husband say जा सिंदन जा जी
हाँ.
ले अब नहीं so that is my husband's dialogue to me
Wow.
But that's
The
only
men.
Act 1 for even
Yeah,
LC.
you can add it.
We all are living
so
our
he
lives through
always
this.
says that to me
But you don't need your husband to say जा सिमरन जा यार. I all are
अरे फिल्मी
independent
बोला
women.
ना but
फिल्मी ना
फिल्मी
इसलिए।
था ना
फिल्मी है ना।
dramatic
हाँ, I'm just trying to
फिल्मी
add उसमें भी थोड़ा सा तड़का यार. I don't know why.
For me it is जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
जिंदगी ना
बच्चा है
मिलेगी।
तुम मेरा.
हाँ?
बच्चा है तुम मेरा.
बच्चा है तो
अच्छा है तो
मेरा.
मेरा. Amazing. Now this round is like for you can answer. Anybody can answer this. Okay. If LC was a movie, what would its title be?
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी
धुरंधर.
Dhurandhar. जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. Then
Oh, I think yes.
दिल तो पागल है.
नहीं नहीं not
इतना भी पागल नहीं है.
जब भी met
जब भी मैं. That's good.
That's nice.
Okay.
जैसे I met her for the first time today
Oh yeah, true.
If LC didn't exist, what would be missing in your life?
oh my
Purpose.
god
Purpose.
purpose.
Wow.
That self-reflection mirror.
yeah same
Wow. Amazing. What is harder, running a house or running LC?
Running and house.
running a
Obviously
house
I think running an LC.
No way.
No,
no for me it's running a
For
house
me, also
Wow.
running a house.
Amazing. What is who is more disciplined, circlers or tablers?
Of
Circlers.
Well, obvious.
Of course.
Always.
How can I even ask this question?
I mean, cut this question. Eliminate.
Yeah.
delete
Does power change people in LC?
Yes.
Yes, it
Yes,
does.
do.
It does.
Yes.
But
What-
mostly for the good.
Of course. What is more addictive, projects or positions?
Not for good.
What is more addictive,
Projects or
or
position?
positions?
Projects.
Addictive.
Addict. You can say
Projects.
not the position at least.
Yeah.
Not the positions. If that is addictive, then we could have not
Either,
started.
either.
Ah. So both. थोड़ा थोड़ा.
Addictive फिर भी नहीं है. Addiction is I think the friendship and the bond what we share that is more addictive. That make us more energized and
Yeah,
inspire
yes,
us to
जवाब.
do
Yeah, yeah.
project and
फ्रेंडशिप के बाद ही सर्विस होता है. That is friendship and
Yeah.
service.
then after a year when I was feeling like I have to give away this jewel to Munira and I was like I won't be able to live without it yaar what some big thing is going on and जब जैसी jewel दिया और अगले दिन 1 July I was fine अच्छा पता क्या करना है
Ah.
वो transition
transition.
transition. Yeah.
within a span of a day
Yeah.
Okay. What hurts more, losing a project or losing a member?
Member.
member
Losing how? Losing a member.
Hey, she quits.
हमने इसमें भी डिस्कस
Munira.
किया है
Don't overthink.
कोई मर गया
She quits. She quits.
नहीं कोई
नहीं ऐसा है. ऐसा नहीं.
हमने वैसे ही सोचा था
ऐसा
नहीं, he said
जैसा भी है.
resign, resignation, or
नहीं ऐसा नहीं.
चल बस से
ऐसे quit.
projects can
Member,
come,
member.
come again
Member.
and
Member,
again.
member.
Definitely.
Whether whatever the meanness and the sources are.
extensions are difficult है तो फिर member losing a member is like
Projects can happen.
Have you ever celebrated when a person in LC has retired?
We
Celebrate.
We
We
celebrate retirement.
like-
We celebrate that
We
journey.
celebrate retirement.
वैसे नहीं मतलब that she will not be a part of it anymore.
चले
वैसे
गए
वाला.
ऐसे.
Once a circular is always a circular.
Yes.
So we
So we celebrate the retirement very with the pride. I mean.
Yeah, yeah.
I will
But
celebrate
be
my
secretly
retirement.
happy वगैरह ऐसे नहीं होता कभी ऐसे करे अच्छा मैं
नहीं.
चली गई.
नहीं,
वो तो जाने ही नहीं वाली ना.
जाने ही
जाने ही नहीं वाली है. अच्छा
वो तो
okay.
circular ही है ना वो.
एक बार खत्म होगी तभी जाएगी.
Yeah.
We'll understand that. So
Very
Kanika is
cool.
retiring this year.
Oh.
But मैं पीछा
Great.
नहीं छोड़ने वाली.
हाँ.
But छोड़ना
We know that. We anyway you're not
It's
going
like
anywhere.
it's not gonna
No,
go.
this podcast will get you back again and again. You know? Whenever you feel low, even after retiring, you'll watch this again. अरे मेरे
बच्चों को
फिर से
दिखाई
जाना
देखो
है
तुम्हारी
अभी.
माँ सेलिब्रिटी है.
My girls are gonna feel really
अरे.
proud of me.
I
Actually.
mean, you're already working for this moment, यार. एक सवाल पूछा
yeah.
नहीं गया. कभी सोचा था कि क्या बोलता है पे आओगे?
Never.
And you know.
मैं तो लास्ट
ये
टाइम
कपिल शर्मा वाला डायलॉग है which is adapted by him.
never thought of we would have done
आपने
this.
कभी सोचा था कि हम सब आएंगे आपके
Never,
पास? We
never.
all are like leadership in
अरे
our own
this is my
position.
day.
तो मैं दिमाग खा
This
रही
is
हूँ,
my
कैसे
day.
नहीं
यार
सोचा?
इतने बड़े पोस्ट वाले
बड़े-बड़े, हम
प्लेटफॉर्म पे
सब
बैठे
I
all
told
are
her,
well
the day my
ordered.
MP comes, I'm coming.
Sitting next to the MP, I mean, अरे क्या
I am
मतलब?
sure your ratings are going to go higher.
You're lucky.
I am.
You're a
I
lucky
am.
guy.
That's what Rucha says, yaar.
In case of your wife and in case of us.
Now I know
Accept
today
कर लो,
why.
accept कर लो.
हाँ कर लिया. What makes a dangerous circler?
ये वर्ड बहुत ही वो है. Dangerous circle क्या
Dangerous
होता
मतलब
है?
in a good way. Dangerous मतलब like
Like
धुरंधर.
over
धुरंधर type का यार.
expectation, over expecting.
Over expecting.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
Limitless हो जाते हैं actually हम at times.
Okay.
हाँ कि
That's not dangerous. That's good.
but
no, but at some times
At
It's
some
very
we
difficult
do.
to strike that balance, you know, once you have very high expectations of yourself, of your circlers. तो वो थोड़ा सा difficult situation आ सकता है.
Okay. Anyways, guys, we are at the end of our podcast.
Oh, yes.
And this has been an amazing, powerful, impactful podcast. And I wish everyone, amazing success in your years to come. And definitely your all the dreams and everything what we are, striving together. I hope that gets completed. And even if you all have any questions, do comment. We'll make sure that we get them answered. And for you all, I just would want you all to individually look into the camera and just share your experience of this podcast and ask them to like, follow, comment, and share. That's it. So we'll start with you, Shishu.
So I had an amazing experience and figured out a lot of things which coming from our circulars as well, noted down. So yeah, to our viewers, kindly think about this organization because this is something it's going to change your life. If you want to be part of it, do contact us and do like, subscribe and
Follow and comment and share.
yes, about the whole process of this, it is so light and it's the vibe here. It's so positive. So we never felt that it's like an interview kind of stuff. We always felt it's like a laughter going around everywhere. So yes, this is interesting again. Join us for the organization, and as said, please like, subscribe, and follow us. Thank you.
Indira?
So it was like talking to a friend only. And sorry, can I come back?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Let me just frame things in my
कुछ ज़्यादा ही friendly हो गई.
मैंने इतनी friendly बोलते हुए अच्छे से आ रही है.
तारीफ कर ही नहीं सकती ना मेरी वो.
वही problem
वही
है.
प्रॉब्लम है वो और कुछ
और
नहीं है.
like
Yeah, the
अच्छे words आने दो conversations. Please go ahead.
The conversation was really fruitful here, and I thoroughly enjoyed every bit of it, the laughter. And please join Lady Circle, whomsoever, just connect with us and like, share, subscribe, follow.
Okay, so a nice friendly chat with Mayuresh, fun time exploring the professional side of Kai Bolte and talking about our organization, sharing our thoughts, our views, our experiences. It was a fun time. Do share, like and subscribe the channel as well and join LC India.